This viral CapCut countdown effects with counting numbers is everywhere. So let me show you the easiest way how you can make it. Just follow the step-by-step guide. So first you have to open up your CapCut and go to New Project. Now choose the video or photos where you just want to add the countdown. You can use either. In this example, I'm using photos. So once you add them, stretch the clip on the timeline so it's long enough for your countdown. I want a 10 seconds countdown, so I adjust the length accordingly. So you can also set any aspect ratio you prefer for your video. So now tap on a blank area of the timeline and go to the text section. Now hit on add text and you have to type 1 first. Then resize it to make the number big and clear. After that, go to the font and choose any font style you like. And now from this section, the main part will start. And next we will animate it. So first you have to add a keyframe at the start, move the number downwards on the screen. Then open the Style tab and set the opacity to 0. So the number is invisible at the beginning. And move the playhead to the middle of the clip and move the number to the center. And here you have to set the opacity back to 100 so it appears. And then you have to move the playhead near the end and add another keyframe. Now drag the number upwards and set the opacity back to 0. Now the number smoothly moves up while fading in and out. This creates the countdown animation. Now duplicate the first text layer and change the number to 2. Now go to the Style tab and set the opacity to 100% so the number is fully visible again. Next, tap on the first text box and move the playhead to the middle keyframe and align the second text layer exactly in the center so both one layer match perfectly. Once they're aligned, your first number setup is complete. Now select the first text box and duplicate it, and you have to place the duplicate right beside the original one on the timeline. Now double tap the duplicate text and change the number from 1 to 2. So you just have to do the same for the second text layer. Just double tap on it and duplicate it and place it right after the previous layer and change the number to 2 as well. And from here, keep repeating the same process. Now duplicate the last pair of text layers and change the numbers to 3, 4, 5 and continue the same way for all the numbers you want in your countdown. It takes a few minutes, but once you get the pattern, it becomes super easy. So when everything looks good, just export the video. Now you have to go to the new video section again and import the exported video into a new project. Now tap the clip and go to the speed section and increase it to 10x or 5x if you want a slightly slower countdown. And this is the trick that makes the countdown fast and smooth. And finally add some music. The film projector sound works really well with these countdown videos. So you can also add video effects to make it more eye-catching. And now when everything looks okay, just preview your video, and once you are happy with it, export your final video. And that's it. Your viral CapCut countdown effect set's ready. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Make a like and subscribe for more CapCut tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.